Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make slime. Very simple concept, doesn't require lots of work. But before we get started, hit the like button please and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 likes. Come on, we can do it. So, the two things you're going to need are glue. Here, this container was sanitizer, but I put it in here because it's easy to pour the glue wherever you want to. So you're gonna need that. The second thing you're gonna need is detergent. I have it in this cup, just easy to pour in. Then you're gonna need somewhere to make your slime in and something to mix. I'm using this toothpick. The first thing you're gonna do is pour in the glue. Most of the time you don't have to pour in a lot. It depends on how much you want. I'm gonna pour in a little bit just to show you guys how to make it. Usually you want to pour in the glue first before you put in the detergent, and then you get your detergent, open it up, and then you put in some. So I'm just gonna put it in with my toothpick. You put it little by little, you don't have to put a lot. As for the detergent, there's some detergents that don't work. What I mean by that is I use OxiClean or Tide. Those are the ones I stick to because I know they work. I've tried them. There's other ones that don't work, like I don't know. I don't really know the names, but I know some of them that don't work. One of them that I know that doesn't work is this brand right here. It's called Purex. I know that one doesn't work because I've tried it myself. I've tried it a million times. It doesn't work. For sure it doesn't work. Sorry for the camera. It doesn't work. So stay away from it if you're thinking about making slime. So you mix until you get the texture of slime. You can see from the big pile of glue I had to this, starts looking like slime. I'm making a little bit because it's just to show you guys. You can put a lot of glue and make a lot, and a big container. It doesn't really matter. The glue doesn't matter either. It can be, preferably it might be you can make any type of glue works, as long as it's not like super glue or anything. You never want to, and if you want color, it's optional. You can put it in before you put in the detergent. I've seen videos that are fake. I hate those videos because you want to learn, not waste your time, right? And then once you have the format, you just keep playing with it until it's not sticky. It's not that sticky anymore. Once you play with it and it's not that sticky, you might want to, this is how it's gonna look like. This is the one that I already have. It's playable. You can play with it. See, you can kind of see the difference. So hope you like this video. Hope you learned something, and go make your own slime. Hit hit the like button, please, and thank you.